The Groom and the Bride and the Snide Guide. A groom and a bride took a trip with a guide to the other side of the world so wide. But they couldn't decide whether a bus to ride or a plane that would glide across the world so wide. Their guide began to deride them, make snide remarks right beside them. They wanted to hide from the guide, but they both had too much pride. So the groom decided to stride right up to the guide waiting outside. The bride was right beside him as they went to the guide to chide him. "We cannot let your rudeness slide," said the groom and the bride to the guide. "We'll surely collide if you keep being snide, so keep your comments inside." Their talk turned the tide, and now the guide no longer was rude and snide. And the groom and the bride enjoyed the ride as they traveled the world so wide.